Okay, in we come. Okay, welcome everyone. The purpose of this session is going to be looking at the principles of play. So who can tell me what the first principle of play was from inside? John?
Contested possession.
Fantastic, well done John. And then what was the second one? Dave?
Go forward.
Go forward. They're the two that we're going to look at first, okay, and then we're going to move on from there. Okay, so get yourselves with a partner, preferably one bib, one non-bib, okay? And you're going to need a ball per group as well. What I want you to do with your partner, you're going to have a game of rock, paper, scissors. On three, 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. So whoever wins, you get possession of the ball. One group down the bottom, your partner down the bottom, your other partner at the top. What we're looking for is a person with the ball. Your objective is to get the ball over the try line, over the scoring line, past your partner. So for people with the ball this side, the line's this over here. For people on that side, the line's over this side, okay? However you want to do it, if you have a go, then swap over and let your partner have a go as well. Away you go. Away you go. Nice, John. Okay, everyone in. Well done, everyone. So, how did we contest possession in that game?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, excellent, Clive. Yeah, so what other ways might we contest possession in a game of rugby?
Scrum, line out.
Scrum, line out, Dave, yeah, so lots of different ways. Any others?
Tackle.
Tackle, definitely, Claire, yeah, fantastic, John. Great, so. Then how did we go forward?
We ran with it.
Ran with it, okay, so running's definitely one way to go forward. Anything else we could do to go forward?
Grubber kick.
Grubber kick, who tried a grubber kick? Well done, Andy. Did you beat the defender?
Yes.
Did the ball go forward?
It did.
Fantastic, so by kicking the ball and by running, we've got two ways there that we can go forward. What was the objective that I set you at the start?
Get across the line.
Get the ball across the line, so we automatically sometimes assume that we have to run with the ball over the line. There's different ways that we can go forward in a game of rugby. So we've looked at contest possession, we've looked at go forward. The next principle of play is? Support. Okay, so what do we need to have support? We'll be able to do that 1v1?
No, need some teammates.
We're going to need some teammates. Okay, so what we're going to do, look at the numbers. We're going to have split into two games. We're going to have a 5v3 game and a 3v1 game. Okay, so the people will overload the attack. Okay, normal rules apply. Again, you're just trying to score by getting the ball over the opposition try line. Okay, but this time if you're touched by a defender, you must stop and make a pass to a teammate. Away you go! Oh! Well done. Where's your support? Good, Andy, well done. Great support, red team, well done. Turn round and attack back out, fantastic. JB, well done. Well done, John. Great kick. On again. Good support, Clive. Oh. Okay, and in we come. Okay, so what type of things were we doing with that support then?
Like communicating.
Communicating, Dave. Okay, so why was that important?
So the ball carrying over there is support and where to pass to.
Okay, yes, definitely. So communication is a big part of support. Okay, Clive, I shouted something to you. I think I shouted you supporting the space well. What does that mean, supporting the space to you?
Well, look and identify where that space is and get into it so that hopefully you can exploit it.
Yeah, okay, so making sure we're in a position, we've identified where the space is and we're in a position to receive the ball and utilise that space. We may also support the ball. What do you think supporting the ball would mean?
Running towards it rather than away from it.
Yeah, definitely, John. So running towards the ball to support the ball carrier. We talked before that if there was a touch made, there may actually be, in a game, there may be a contest for possession there, so we need to support that ball or make ourselves available so the ball can be moved away from that contest for possession. Okay, great work. Now that brings us nicely on to our next principle of play, which is? Continuity. Fantastic.